यह सुनी सुनाई बात है। दिस इज ओनली हेयर से। दिस इज ओनली हेयर से। वह हमारा इकलौता बेटा है। ही इज आवर ओनली सन। ही इज आवर ओनली सन। हाथ पर हाथ रखे बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen by sitting idle. Nothing will happen by sitting idle. कोई राम आपको खोज रहा है। A Ram is searching for you. A Ram is searching for you. गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? मैं तुम्हारे व्यवहार से खुश नहीं हूँ। I'm not happy with your behavior. I'm not happy with your behavior. पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं। Leaves are falling from the tree. Leaves are falling from the tree. आपको कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा। You will have to do something. You will have to do something. उसे तुम क्या पापा भी नहीं रोक सकते। Even your father can't stop him. Even your father can't stop him. मुझे शांति से सो जाने दो। Let me sleep peacefully. Let me sleep peacefully. मैं शादी वादी नहीं करने वाला हूँ। I'm not gonna marry. I'm not gonna marry. मुझे पता है कि मैं तुम्हारी माफ़ी के काबिल नहीं हूँ। I know I don't deserve your forgiveness. I know I don't deserve your forgiveness. उसे मारा जा रहा था। He was being beaten. He was being beaten. मैं गिरते गिरते बचा। I saved myself from falling. I saved myself from falling. ये सवाल मेरी समझ से परे है। This question is beyond my understanding. This question is beyond my understanding. ये तो एकदम चौंकाने वाली बात है। This is absolutely shocking. This is absolutely shocking. उसे मारा जा रहा है। He is being killed. He is being killed. बस वैसे ही Just like that. Just like that. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मेरा चाय पीने का दिल कर रहा है। I feel like drinking tea. I feel like drinking tea. ऐसा कहने की तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you say this? How dare you say this? मुझे पता है कि तुम वहाँ गई थे। I know you went there. I know you went there. तुमने उसे क्या कहा? What did you say to him? What did you say to him? हम हालातों पर काबू पा रहे हैं। We are controlling the situation. We are controlling the situation. पेट भरकर खाओ। Eat to your heart's content. Eat to your heart's content. ना रहेगा बांस ना बजेगी बांसुरी। What the eye sees not. What the eye sees not. करो जो मन करे करो। Do whatever you feel like doing. Do whatever you feel like doing. लेकिन अभी तो आपने कहा कि सब कुछ नॉर्मल है। But now you said that everything is normal. But now you said that everything is normal. समय के साथ चलना बड़ा मुश्किल है। It's very difficult to keep up with time. It's very difficult to keep up with time. आप मेरे प्यार को पैसों में नहीं तोल सकते। You can't measure my love with money. You can't measure my love with money. इससे पहले मुझे मौका मिले वो उसे पहले ही बता चुकी थी। Before I got a chance, she had already told him. Before I got a chance, she had already told him. क्या तुम भी चलोगे हमारे साथ? Will you also come with us? Will you also come with us? मैंने उसे आराम करने की सलाह दी. I advised him to rest. I advised him to rest. मेरे हिसाब से वो नहीं रुक पाएगा. According to me, he will not able to stop. According to me, he will not able to stop. रस्सी जल गई पर बल नहीं गया. Habits take a long time to depart. Habits take a long time to depart. कम से कम चाय तो ले लो. At least take tea. At least take tea. ज़्यादा तेज मत बना करो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. वह हमलावर को पहचान सकती थी. She could recognize the attacker. She could recognize the attacker. तुम्हारी बातों में दम है. Your words have weight. Your words have weight. दुनिया में कुछ भी संभव है. Anything is possible in the world. Anything is possible in the world. मुझे लगता है हमारे रिश्ते को किसी की बुरी नज़र लग गई है. I feel that our relationship has been affected by someone's evil eye. I feel that our relationship has been affected by someone's evil eye. अब नहीं तो कब? If not now, then when? If not now, then when? मुझे धक्का किसने दिया? Who pushed me? Who pushed me? समय किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं करता. Time waits for no one. Time waits for no one. तुम्हारे जूतों पर कीचड़ लगा है. There is mud on your shoes. There is mud on your shoes. और क्या कहूँ? What else can I say? What else can I say? इतनी रात को कौन हो सकता है? Who could be there so late at night? Who could be there so late at night? तुम इतनी सी बात के लिए रो रही हो. You are crying for such a small thing. You are crying for such a small thing. मेरी माँ को कुछ मत बोलना. Don't say anything to my mother. Don't say anything to my mother. जैसे ही वो आए मुझे बताना. Let me know as soon as he arrives. Let me know as soon as he arrives. मैं खुद ही आ जाऊंगा. I will come myself. I will come myself. मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे हम गलत हो या सही. It doesn't matter whether we are wrong or right. It doesn't matter whether we are wrong or right. अपने जूते बाहर निकाल देना. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. तुम क्यों बेकार में परेशान हो रहे हो? Why are you getting worried unnecessarily? Why are you getting worried unnecessarily? थाली क्यों घुमा रहे हो तुम? Why are you playing with the plate? Why are you playing with the plate? नहीं, वो भी साथ में आया है. No, he has also come along. No, he has also come along. वह ये बात पुलिस को बता देगा. He will tell this to the police. He will tell this to the police. तुम कान खोलकर सुन लो. You better listen up. You better listen up. ये पाप है. This is a sin. This is a sin. मैं आसपास रहूँगा. I will be around. I will be around. एयरपोर्ट आने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to come to the airport. There is no need to come to the airport. मेरे साथ आओ, कम विद मी, कम विद मी। इस घर को क्या हो गया है? What has happened to this house? What has happened to this house? कोई भी चलेगा। Anyone will do. Anyone will do. कहाँ थी तुम रात भर? Where were you all night? Where were you all night? छोड़ो मुझे। Leave me. Leave me. मुझे कहाँ जाना है? Where should I go? Where should I go? और कुछ कहते हुए भी शर्म आती है। I feel ashamed even to say something. I feel ashamed even to say something. मैं खाना खाकर आया हूँ। I have come after eating. I have come after eating. वह बात नहीं करना चाहती। She doesn't want to talk. She doesn't want to talk. जो कहना है मुझे कहो। Tell me whatever you want to say. Tell me whatever you want to say. मैं भी लालची नहीं हूँ। I am also not greedy. I am also not greedy. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. मैं एक्सरसाइज के लिए समय नहीं निकाल पा रहा हूँ। I am not able to find time for exercise. I am not able to find time for exercise. दोनों एक दूसरे से गुस्सा हैं। Both are angry with each other. Both are angry with each other. मैं मर सकता था। I could die. I could die. आपको ये कैसा लगा? How did you like it? How did you like it? उसे वापस मत लाना। Don't bring him back. Don't bring him back. वह तुम्हारी कौन लगती है? Who does she look like to you? Who does she look like to you? बस बहुत हो गया। That's enough. That's enough. मैं पढ़ाकर पैसे कमाता हूँ। I earn money by teaching. I earn money by teaching. 5 मिनट में घर पहुँच जाऊँगा। I will reach home in 5 minutes. I will reach home in 5 minutes. मैं नहाकर आया हूँ। I have taken bath. I have taken a bath. मेरा तुमसे मिलने का दिल कर रहा था। I was feeling like meeting you. I was feeling like meeting you. मैं तुम्हें नया गेम दिला दूंगा। I will get you a new game. I will get you a new game. सुबह से, since morning. Since morning. वो मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है। He is a distant relative of mine. He is a distant relative of mine. रोहन आसपास नहीं दिख रहा है। रोहन is not seen around. रोहन is not seen around. वो बस पहुंचने ही वाला है। He is just about to arrive. He is just about to arrive. मेरा गला खराब है। I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. वे स्कूल चले गए हैं। They have gone to school. They have gone to school. यह मेरा है। This is mine. This is mine. तुम अपनी बात के पक्के नहीं हो। You are not true to your words. You are not true to your words. हमें गांव बुलाया गया है। We have been called to the village. We have been called to the village. यह तुम्हारी गलतफहमी है। This is your misunderstanding. This is your misunderstanding. मेरे नाम पर एक कमरा बुक है। A room is booked on my name. A room is booked on my name. तुम कब से ऐसे हो गए? Since when did you become like this? Since when did you become like this? पढ़ाई का नाम लिया नहीं कि रोना शुरू। When you mention studies, you start crying. When you mention studies, you start crying. हम भी कोई ऐसे वैसे नहीं हैं। We too are not like that. We too are not like that. तुम मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रही हो? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? पहले अपने हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands first. Wash your hands first. वहीं तो मैं जा रहा हूँ। That's what I am going there. That's what I'm going there. आज उसे ये कह दो। Tell him this today. Tell him this today. मैंने कर लिया है। I have done it. I have done it. मेरे सामने उसका नाम मत लो। Don't mention his name in front of me. Don't mention his name in front of me. ऑफिस पहुंचने में तुम्हें कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take to you to reach the office? How much time will it take to you to reach the office? मेरे पास ओप्पो के अलावा कई कंपनियों के मोबाइल हैं। I have mobile phones from other companies than Oppo. I have mobile phones from other companies than Oppo. यह मकान 2016 में सरकार के द्वारा अपने कब्जे में लिया गया था। This house was taken over by the government in 2016. This house was taken over by the government in 2016. मुझे बास्केटबॉल खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। I like playing basketball very much. I like playing basketball very much. वह अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई। She couldn't stop her tears. She couldn't stop her tears. आज ये होना ही था। This had to happen today. This had to happen today. चलो टहलते हैं। Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।